Yes. An effect. Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to welcome you here in Katowice, a city that changed its face dramatically in the last years and is evolving from a city of coal and steel to a city of culture, modern services, IT, business and academic institutions, being at the same time one of the greeniest cities in Poland. I'm very pleased to say that the Fijian and Polish presidency teams have been working actively together in co-leading this process. I would take this opportunity to thank the government of Fiji and in particular and in person His Excellency Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama for his leadership and openness. Thank you very much. I now have the honor to pass the floor to my co-chair and Fijian colleague, Prime Minister Bainimarama. Prime Minister, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, Mbulavinaka, and welcome to you all. Your Excellencies, I'm very encouraged as COP23 President that the Talanoa spirit found its way into the climate change process. I think most people will agree with me that in embracing the Pacific concept of Talanoa, we have created an inclusive space for the exchange of ideas and a genuine process of learning from each other. It is certainly clear that this novel approach has been widely welcomed, and I would like to thank you all for this, and to urge you to approach the Talanoa today in this spirit. Also, the inclusion and participation of non-party stakeholders in the dialogue has opened up this process and brings us a fresh opportunity to draw on a wider range of experiences and inspiring climate action. Let me be very clear, Your Excellencies, we expect outcomes from this process in the form of fresh ideas and a renewed determination to effectively confront the challenge we all face. The process has created great expectation in the international community. So let us be worthy at ministerial level of the task of coming together to raise our collective ambition. We need to demonstrate the necessary political will to make a difference. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to give the floor to Patricia Espinosa, UNFCCC Executive Secretary, for her welcoming remarks.